Discover the sleep trick doctors say addresses the root cause of sleepless nights by resetting your internal body clock, letting you sleep through the night and wake up feeling refreshed, rested, and ready to go.
When you can't sleep, your body and mind suffer, and all the behind-the-scenes healing doesn't happen.
Did you know stress and sleepless nights are closely linked?
A 2010 review of natural treatments for anxiety found that magnesium could be a treatment for anxiety.
Magnesium is the only nutrient that defeats stress at a cellular level.
Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the body and is needed for everything.
However, most magnesium supplements fail to help you beat stress.
If you want to beat stress, get fit, sleep better, and recover faster, you need full-spectrum magnesium.
The solution is Magnesium Breakthrough.
Magnesium Breakthrough contains every key form of magnesium, in exactly the right ratio.
The #1 best way to experience the researched benefits of magnesium.
Don't miss your chance. Solve your sleep problems.
Click the link below this video and transform your stress, hormones, and performance with Magnesium Breakthrough.